Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck. This is your captain speaking. Welcome on board this Emirates flight EK702 from Mauritius to Dubai. My name is Mert Yavuz. Joining me in the flight deck today is CU First Officer Frederick Jonesy, and the cabin your person Nicola, and she is assisted by the cabin supervisors Yannick and Marius. Them and then the rest of the crew will be looking after your safety and comfort. Our flight time to Dubai International Airport is approximately 6 hours and 15 minutes. And we'll be cruising at an altitude of 39,000 feet. You can follow the progress of the flight from the screens in front of you on the Air Show channel. We're anticipating good weather conditions for our route with occasional light bumps, so please make sure you have your seatbelts fastened at all times whenever you're seated, even if the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
دبي بالتعاون مع الطيران الكندي والطيران الموريشيوس والكوندور. نرحب مجددا بأعضاء إميريتس سكايورز. أفراد الطاقم رحلتنا اليوم يأتون من 25 دول ويتحدثون 15 لغة. أرجى عدم التردد في طلب المساعدة منا في أي وقت خلال الرحلة. لأسباب تتعلق بالسلامة، إذا كنتم تحملون شاحنا متنقلا على متن الطائرة فيحظر استخدامه أو شحنه. يرجى وضعه في جيب المقعد أو تحت المقعد الذي أمامكم، وعدم وضعه في خزائن العلوية. شكرا.
Air Mauritius and Condor. Welcome back to Emirates Skyward members. A multinational cabin crew on board today come from 17 countries and speak 15 languages. If there's anything we can do to help you, please do let us know. If you've brought a power bank on board today, for safety reasons you cannot use or charge it. Please store your power bank in your seat pocket under the seat in front of you. Do not place it in the overhead locker. Thank you.